needs a tune-up. Getting ready to finally hit the open road.
Road trip, huh? Got a Febreze car vent clip in there?
Febreze car?
Have a road trip without Febreze. Freshens your ride for...
Sounds like a pedestrian.
What the? Yo, this cop just cut me off. What the? Hey! Oh, God.
The point of this is that they have gotten to a point that they believe that they can tell you what to do.
Damn.
I was legit arguing with myself about whether that was a good idea,
It's not a good idea.
but I'm doing it.
I'm doing it anyway because shit's for real. She just smashed into the roof, got out, paid for her coffee, and now she's trying to figure out how to get out. And she's got the roof again. Oh no! Oh!
Sounds expensive.
The Senate and the Army both came up with solutions to the problem of who would rule. Unfortunately, they were different solutions. The Army naturally chose to elevate one of their own, specifically the senior ranking officer left received.
The iZombie is fun.
Oh God. Oh.
Did you guys see that?
I didn't. Careful.
Yeah, you're
Yourself.
good. I'm a safe driver.
You were falling close. What? No, I'm not. I'm not texting. Phone on first. Get your phone out of there. What the dude? Come on. I'm not texting.
Yeah, you was.
No, I wasn't.
I seen you swerving.
No.
I seen you swerving.
Just go. Go.
What the?
Darn, the internet must be broken again.
I'll just give it a try on mine, just in case. Huh. Guess they fixed the internet. Huh. Guess they fixed the internet. The new season of The Voice with Ariana Grande.
Call 911. Jesus, stop! Hit the brake, stop! Slow down. Get over.